You're on.
Okay, we're here today in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania at Fort Hunter, and this is my booth. I sew bicycle inner tubes and other recycled materials, and today I'm showing you how I sew them on this bicycle-powered sewing machine that I made. It is a vintage Schwinn exercise bike from the 70s. I hooked it up with a bunch of bike parts. It is a Singer sewing machine from the 50s, and together they work really well. So you can see I'm sewing a piece of inner tube. Yeah.
Very nice.
So.
And what all do you have now, merchandise-wise?
So I have different kinds of can koozies, I have keychains, coin pouches, a lot of different kinds of wallets, little bags. I made some hip bags, some larger messenger bags, some dog collars. So lots of different things, all out of recycled materials.
And do you have a website or something?
Yeah, you can find me at crank-therapy.com, or I'm on Instagram at cranktherapy. I also have a little Etsy store at Crank Therapy.
Okay, great, excellent.
Thanks.
I'll show you the other products here. Got dog collars, large bags.